Thank you very much for subscribing our channel and giving your good comments on our channel videos, liking our videos. So now we are starting the video on the PDCA. What is PDCA? The PDCA, Plan Do Check Text Cycle, often called the Deming Cycle. It ensures continual improvement built into the system. The PDCA is the foundational operating model for all modern ISO management systems, including ISO 9001 for the quality, ISO 14 for the environment, and ISO 45 for the safety management system. Now we just leave what is P for and what is D for, what is C and what is the A for. And after this we will have what does it mean, then the purpose. Plan. P plan. Establish objective and process needed to deliver results. Purpose. Identify risk and opportunities. Set goals and plan actions. Do. The do part. Implement the plans and carry out the processes. Then the purpose. Put plans into action and collect data. The C part. Monitor and measure results against objective. What we have our objective and targets to monitor that we are in line with our objective and targets. So the purpose is evaluate performance, audit and review effectiveness. Then A is for the act, take action for continued improvement, correct deviation and improve the management system. Why PDCA is central to ISO's system? ISO, why it is central to the ISO system? Systems, why PDCA is central to ISO? Ensure a systematic and continual improvement approach. Makes the management system dynamic, not static. Means that the management system will be dynamic. Change, review and if needed revise. Not static because it's for the continual improvement. Encourage data-driven decision and corrective action. When we are checking the objective and targets or monitoring the objective and targets, this will be data-driven decisions and corrective action where we need. Embeds a culture of prevention and improvement. Now we are discussing the P, set objective. First set the objective. P plan, set objective and targets. This is the strategic phase where you establish the objectives, resources and process needed to deliver results according to your organization policy. This is the what and how you will achieve your goals. ISO connection. This maps directly to ISO requirement like context of the organization, leadership and the planning. Like in this planning, what we will consider 4.1, 4.2 classes of ISO, then class number 5 and then class number 6. Setting objective, assessing risk opportunities, then key action, identify the problems or area for improvement, define the desired outcomes and determine the resources required. What resources we will need. Implementation, the plan. Implement the plan. This is the second part. D for do. Implement the plan. This is the execution phase where you implement the process designed in the planning stage. ISO connection. What's the ISO connection over here? This aligns with the support and operation. Class number 7 and class number 8 of the ISO. Class is training, documentation, executing plan process, performing tasks. Then key action. What will be the key action over here? Execute the plan. What's the plan? Implement. perform the work, train the personnel, manage resources, and collect data for later analysis. Now we are going for the uh, part 3, the check part, monitor and measure. Check, monitor and measures. This is the measurement phase where you monitor the implemented process against the policies, objective, requirement, and planned activities. The ISO, what's the ISO connection with this part? The C. This corresponds to the performance evaluation class, internal audits, measuring, and monitoring management review. So this is the class number 9 of ISOs. Now, because in this we have the general monitoring and measuring, second is the 9.2 is the auditing, and the 9.3 is the management review. Now, key action. Analyze the data, collect during the do phase, compare the actual results against the planned objective, ask, did it work? Because some companies, they develop the planning, but they fail to achieve their targets. So the all the PDCA, the planning, the do, the check, the every part have its own importance. Now act, act, improve, act, improve. This is the corrective phase where you take action based on the results of the check phase to continuously improve performance. ISO connection. This is the improvement class, non-conformity in corrective action, continual improvement. Now this is the class number 10. Key action. If the plan work, standardize the new process. It didn't work. Identify the root cause. Find out the root cause. Why we didn't get our targets and objectives. And revise the plan, looping back to plan. So it will go again to B. Now PDCA and ISO 9001. We apply this to PDCA to the ISO 9001. Planning is defined customer requirement. What is the customer requirement? Quality objective and process. Products. Produce products, services according to the plan. Check, monitor customer satisfaction and conduct internal audits. Act, implement corrective action and improve product quality. The goal is continual improvement of product and service quality. Now we apply this for the environmental management system. ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Plan. Identify environmental aspect, legal requirement and objectives. In the do part, implement control and operational procedures. In the check part, monitor emission, waste and compliance. In the act part, improve environmental performance, reduce waste or emission, noise, vibrations. Now, goals. The goal is reduce environmental impact and ensure compliance. Now we are explaining the PDCA and apply the PDCA to for the ISO 45001 Health and Safety Management System. So ISO 45001 Occupational Management System. Identify planning, identify hazard, assess risk, and establish OH&S objectives. In the do part, implement safe work procedures, training, and risk control. In the monitoring part, monitor incidents, audits, and worker feedback. In the act part, take corrective action and strengthen safety culture of the organization. Now goal, prevent injuries and ill health, improve workplace safety. Now we take one example, practical example that we apply for the ISO 45001. So PDCA steps and then example in safety context. Plan. What's the planning part? Identify risk of fall from height, and set control measures. This is our planning. In the do part, we will install guardrail and provide harness training and also supervision, monitoring and supervision. Check, inspect work at height, activities, and analyze incident data. Like we are going towards uh, decreasing the number of accidents related to working at height. Now act. Improve training or equipment based on findings. Thank you very much. If you have any comments, give your comments in the comment section. We will reply to your comments. And if there is some comments and over there is some you need some proper feedback for this, for your comments. So please write your comments. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next video.